You can see it now. So I had LED lights on here. They went out, and it was a night out somewhere, and I had to basically break a high beam light to fit the low beam light, and this was the result. Long story short, stay with stock if you can, or get high quality LEDs. But I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out. But this is pretty much what a micro relay looks like when the shell is taken off. You got a copper wire tingling and a resistor. Anything deeper than that, I couldn't tell you. Go ahead and put that in. And it doesn't really matter which way you put it in, but I'm gonna follow the order of the other ones. So slide that in place. And I don't know the difference between the black one and the gray one. Should tell you on the side, but you can see that this one is so the high beams, I have to use the high beams. This is my DRL right here, relay, and it's like, well, it's probably not going to be on now, but let's see. Well, it's not daytime, so it wouldn't run, but I should fix it. Anyway, I'll make an update on it later on. I spoke too fast. It's back. Hold on. This is this weird thing where it has to, yeah. See, those are stock. These are condensate, right? Back here. All right, so that's to trigger it, but toggle back. Okay, well, that did its job. Until I turn it off and turn the car back on and it act like nothing ever happened.